Hey everyone, hopefully you're all doing well out there today. Today, what I wanted to show is the GIS Bigfoot Answers Topographic Interactive Outdoors Map. And basically, what this is, as it says, a topographic interactive map that is available to my Patreon and YouTube members. And that's available at the $5 a month membership. And yeah, so I'll provide a link to that in the description. But what I wanted to do today is show how this can be beneficial to you. Perhaps you're out hiking, or maybe you're bigfooting out in the wilds, and you could use this. Maybe hunting, fishing, ATVing, skiing, whatever you're doing out in the outdoors, this could be a useful map. And there's some good tools that I think I've built into this application. And it is a dynamic application, meaning I can add to this and any other layers that you would be interested in, we could add to it too, and potentially some other tools. Right now, this map is for the United States. You can use it in Canada. There's more detail in the United States, and I'll be building one for Canada later. Again, this is for $5 a month through the Patreon channel and the YouTube memberships. Yeah, so this is it. You can see the tools down the left-hand side. These are the zoom in, zoom out, and zoom to current location using the GPS, whether your device is GPS enabled or not. There's no tracking on our side. That's just tracking your side locally, and it shows where you are on the map. So nobody else can see that, just you. You can scroll in and zooming in on New York here, New York State. And as you zoom in, you get more detail. And these are the USGS topo maps. And you can see how they're refreshing, and you get more detail as you zoom in, and you get the more detailed contours. You can see how this could be quite useful for hunting, fishing, hiking, cycling, skiing, ATVing, snowmobiling, especially if you turn on this. I won't turn this on because it will show my location, but if you click on Find My Location and GPS is enabled on your device, like most phones will have that, it will show your location. So you can search for a specific location. Let's say San Diego, maybe. Then it zooms to San Diego. Looks like it's zooming downtown San Diego. Yeah, so there we go. Beautiful San Diego. Now on the map, we also do have the current weather conditions, so the wind speeds and the temperatures in Fahrenheit. So you can see that there's an arrow, and that indicates the wind speed, and 45 indicates the current temperature. So I just clicked on that, and the current time is 11:27, and the last recorded weather information is coming from 10:56, which is about half an hour ago. That's 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 kilometers an hour is the wind speed. If you're into like cycling and hiking, and we also have U.S. national parks on this map. We also have this tool called elevation profile. Let's say you wanted to measure the elevation profile between two locations. As you can see the map, let's zoom in a little bit more. The map's got lots of detail here as far as relief. I'm going to click on one side of the valley, and then click on the other side, double click to end. It's creating a profile. So there it is. There's your profile. So it looks like 4,000 feet on one side, drops down to about 1,100 feet in the middle, sorry, and then on the other side up to over 4,000 again. And it gives you the distance in miles. Looks like that's could be 8 miles. Okay, so there's that elevation profile. You can print to PDF, different sized maps. So if you're going to be out in the field and you want to keep this as a PDF, you can save it to your phone. Bookmarks, so you can make bookmarks. Let's say if I wanted to make a bookmark of that San Diego location, I can do that. If you come back another day, that bookmark will be saved. The bookmark is basically a snapshot of the area, and basically it will come back to that location. We've got distances and areas. And you can change these on the fly. You can change up to, let's say if you wanted to go back to kilometers, it'll change it on the fly. Double click to end. Clear. You've got sketches. You can draw. You can put a point, type in text, and also XY coordinates. Maybe you need to get coordinates in a different coordinate system, maybe in meters instead of decimal degrees. You just click on the map. Those coordinates are populated. You can copy and paste those into another document if required. So you got zoom in, zoom out, zoom to full extent is the house. So if you ever get stuck somewhere, if you've zoomed in too far, you just hit that. Zoom back and forth. So as I said before, we've got the topo maps. We've got the temperatures and wind speeds. We've also got the National Park Service. Yeah, so in addition to the topo maps, the current weather, the USA National Park Service, we've also got the imagery from NOAA showing current precipitation. So as you can see, the green would be rainfall, a light rainfall, and then we're into the light blue, which would be snow, and the darker blue will be heavier snowfall. So that's just a layer that is actually turned off by default because it does cover up the topo map. Yeah, so that's it, guys, and this will be available to my Patreon members and my YouTube members for $5 a month membership level. I really hope that you do go on this journey with us. Right now, we've got a number of members, and this is something that they asked for. It's a dynamic application, and we will be adding to it over time. So thank you so much for all your support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.